What's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make maple glazed Dijon salmon. Yeah, man,
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So you heard the topic, right? Maple glazed Dijon salmon. Maple glaze and Dijon mustard salmon. How that a go taste? Let me tell you. Phenomenal. Big omanti. I'm going to be doing my salmon on an indoor grill. I'm going to finish that off in our oven. And this should take you nothing more than 7 minutes tops. Because you know fish, quick cook. You know what I say? So without further delay, forward, let me show you what I want. I have here a nice cut of pink salmon. It may look like this because I washed it with lime and water, right? So hence it has this color. But as you can see, still nice and firm. I took it out the fridge and I have it at room temperature for about half an hour now, right? So the first thing you want to do is we're gonna go in with a tablespoon all-purpose seasoning. Flip that over. I took the skin off beforehand, right? Just a sprinkle of salt and pepper mixed. I'm gonna do this on both sides. It's not the typical salmon where you go in with just salt and pepper. No, different vibe, isn't it? Massage that seasoning in. So the reason why we keep this at room temperature, because you want the salmon to cook evenly. We're gonna divide this into 4 beautiful slices. Dab it in that seasoning to get it on the sides. So here we have 4 beautifully cut slices of salmon. Now my grill is at a temperature of 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Just gonna go into some canola cooking spray. Give that a shake. Just gonna spray a bit on there lightly. And for those of you who ask about this grill, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get this to purchase, right? So as you can see, it's piping hot. That's what you want, because you just want to get a perfect sear on your salmon. So skin side up. Gonna put it on an angle, just like that. You don't put it straight on the grill. Gonna leave it on that angle for about 30 to 40 seconds. Right? Realize around the edges started to become opaque. That's when you know you can go ahead and lift it. See? Gonna turn it the opposite way like that. So 30 to 40 more seconds to get that perfect grill mark that we're looking for. And then we're gonna flip that over. So look at those grill marks. Beautiful. We're gonna leave that on there for 30 more seconds. Gonna remove that. Gonna put it down in our baking tray. Repeat this process until all the salmon are grilled. If you look, you realize we still have that pink in the center. That's perfect. For the glaze, I'm gonna go in with some old style Dijon mustard, right? About a teaspoon like that. And of course Canada's very own maple syrup, you know? I'm gonna go in with about 1/4 cup. And just a touch of the silly billy bee, you know? About 1 teaspoon. Give that a mix. This is optional, but I like a little bit of kick. I'm gonna go in with a dash of some chili flakes. Just gonna add that right on there. Just gonna finish this off in a 500 degrees oven for about 5 to 7 minutes until we reach that internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. After which, we're gonna serve the salmon up with some lemon herb quinoa and seasonal sauteed vegetables. And there you have it, how to prepare maple glazed Dijon salmon here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go on, big up on yourself.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.